Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Joe, and today I will be working on a set of pine nightstand. It has an old stain, but we will be painting this today. So for this, I'm using mud paint smoke. It's a beautiful gray color, and we will be doing one coat of this paint. You can see it has a beautiful coverage. So now, since I want it a very farmhouse French country kind of a look, so I think one coat should be enough, but we will see as we go. So I will be doing one coat of the paint, and then we will be moving to our next step, which is distressing. So I finished painting the front, and I am doing one coat on the side, and I am assuming I will just do one coat because it is what I want, and we will let it dry, and then after that we are going to distress this. So let's begin the distressing. I'm using Surf Prep Sander, and this has 120 grit sanding sponge, and we are going to be sanding the top and distressing the front, the sides, I mean overall of this dresser. And you can see the peak of the wood, the pine wood that is coming. I just love it. It's looking very pretty, and then we will begin to design it. So let's first do the stain on the top that has been sanded down. I'm using dark walnut stain from Varathane. This is an oil-based stain, so very important that you wear gloves, and I think one coat is enough. You can see the coverage is pretty good. So yes, I will do one coat of the stain and let it dry before I put the top coat on it. This is the top coat that I'm using. So I'm going to seal the nightstand and the top, and then we will begin to put on our stencil and transfer and decoupage. So I'm using this beautiful damask flourish stick and style stencil. You see it's coming in a roll. I've cut out as much I need, and I'm using this dark gray color, which is driftwood from mud paint, and because I want a variation in the stencil, so you can see it looks really pretty on the light base. And I'm going to cover it up on the top to give it some design on the sides, and I'm doing the same thing on the top just to add some little detailing on the top and the sides. Now we are going to put some transfer, which is natural splendor, and this transfer I'm going to measure it on the doors inside and put it on both the doors and as well as the front. So when you open the nightstand, you are able to see the transfers in the door and the front of the nightstand. So I'm going to apply the transfer here, and then we are going to move with our next step. So we have finished doing the transfer and the stencil. Now we are going to do decoupage. I'm using evening damask decoupage fiber paper. It's a beautiful, gorgeous print. Again, a dark print on a lighter base. And I am going to cut it out and apply it with the decoupage gel so the drawers are lined. So I'm using this crafts knife from Redesign with Prima. It's an amazing knife, and it just is simple to cut it out after I've glued it. So I have lined both the drawers in the nightstand, and I'm going to seal it back with the decoupage gel just to make sure it is firm and it is sealed. I chose this silver hardware to blend in into the look of these nightstands, and I'm very pleased with how it turned out. I love the distressed looks of the stencil on the side, the transfer, and the decoupage. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and love it as much as I do. All the links are in the description below. I hope you find the inspiration and get creative.